everyone. Today we are going to begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone. Let's begin with our new chapter, that is chapter number 31, India's Superlatives. Earlier we have studied about the superlatives of the world in chapter number 30, but now we are going to study about India's superlatives. So let's begin with the exercise. Let us know about some superlative of India, identify and name them. So you have to take a look at the pictures and then you have to identify and write the answers for them. So let's now begin with it. So the first picture is of certain mountains being shown, and let us see what is written over there. It says that it is the highest mountain peak, that is 8,586 meters, Himalayas, and the answer for this is Kanchenjunga mountain range. Then we have the second picture. The highest multi-tier waterfall, 1,493 feet high, and it is located in Karnataka. And the answer for this is Kanchikal Falls. Next, now we move to the third one. Then we have the third picture, and this is of the largest mosque which is situated in Delhi. And the answer for this question is Jama Masjid. Then we have the fourth picture, and it is the largest lake present in Jammu and Kashmir, and the answer for this is Vular Lake. Let's now move on to the next page. Then on the next page we have the fifth picture, which states it is the longest dam in Odisha, and the answer for this question is Hirakud Dam. Then we have the sixth picture of the largest desert which is found in Rajasthan, and the answer for this is Thar Desert. Now next we move to the seventh picture. Then we have the seventh picture, which states that it is the biggest stadium in Kolkata, and the answer for this question is Salt Lake Stadium. Then the last picture of this chapter, that is the eighth one, is the longest river in Haridwar, and this is the holy river which we call it as Ganga. So this was all about the chapter. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.